Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple bottlenecks. Close running apps and clear space now. First, press the Xbox button and quit background apps you aren't using, because RAM stays tied up until you do. Next, free at least 10% of storage by uninstalling or moving 1 to 2 large titles to an external drive. Storage fragmentation and full drives slow texture streaming. Finally, check for system updates and install them. Once done, reboot the console so changes take effect and you can measure improvement. You'll now address storage access and network stability because they directly affect load times and online performance. Move high-demand games to an external SSD over USB 3.0 or use the internal drive for best streaming. Once moved, reinstall any corrupted files if needed. Then, make sure you're on 5 GHz Wi-Fi or, better yet, plug into Ethernet to reduce packet loss and latency. Finally, power cycle the Xbox and your router to clear caches and re-establish clean network connections before testing speeds. You finish by tweaking system and game settings to favor smoothness. Adjust per game settings, turn off unnecessary overlays, reduce HDR or VRR if they cause instability, and prioritize performance options where available. If a single game stutters, rebuild its installation or reinstall it to remove corrupt assets. Make sure saves are synced to the cloud before any risky steps. If nothing helps, perform a console factory reset as a last resort. This clears deep software issues, but requires restoring your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.